Hey everybody! Thank you for visiting our channel. Welcome to another color transformation by LVMD. Today, our subject is a Balmain slides in white fall leather. Our client wanted to transform it into black and wanted to make sure that the new color wouldn't come off easily. Okay, so now let's begin. The finishing material we will use is Angelus leather dye. This method is a bit tricky as it may involve repetitive action. But this is the best choice of finish for glossy types of leather like patent leather, vernice, or synthetic and fawn leather. So you have to somehow stay in it until the desired color is achieved. As you can see here, we have to literally apply a generous amount of dye material, so make sure to properly cover the areas you do not intend to color. And then wipe it immediately afterwards while it's still damp to remove the excess color. And what's left now is the stain on the leather, which is gonna be permanent. Remember, the surface must be shiny or smooth and not matte, so the rough particles must be completely wiped out. We do the same process over again until the preferred color intensity is achieved. And finally, apply some leather conditioner to make it supple and soft. But look how shiny the new color is. The owner was really happy with how it turned out. Thanks you all for watching. If you have some questions or suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.